Hey, so this morning I'm on a little town called Social Circles in Georgia, just southeast of Atlanta, Georgia, where I'm waiting to load into that warehouse egg flavor. As soon as this blue truck pulls the trailer out, then I will back my trailer in and then I'll also get loaded. I'm taking this egg flavor all the way to Clinton in Iowa, which is about 870 miles, and I'll be delivering that there tomorrow. And apparently I will be unloading there and I'll be reloading in Clinton tomorrow. So this is where I am today. Social Circles, Georgia. Waiting to get loaded with egg flavor.